Hey everybody, what is going on? Nick here, founder of LeadMiningPros, and we have something so exciting to show you today. For the last 6 months, Francisco and I have been building out a dashboard specifically for all of our clients. All right. This dashboard is going to show you your KPIs. It's going to show you all of your stats from your calling and your texting campaign. And it's going to show you all of your leads from each of those campaigns. You're going to be able to read the notes and listen to the call recordings all from this dashboard. Okay, we're so excited to show it to you. Okay, now, one other thing I want to add is that everything from this moment forward is going to start getting pushed to this dashboard. So you're going to have it always. It's your master list. Okay, it's what I want you to double check against everything else. We've learned over the years a lot of times we'll compile all the leads and we'll send them over to everybody, but our clients need a master list that they could go to, that they could trust. Okay, that's why we created this. And I want you to know your stats. Okay, and if you ever have any questions about your stats, you guys can call me anytime. Well, all right, we're going to get into this.
Absolutely.
Francisco, what's up, dude? I'm so pumped for you, bro. Friends, guys, a lot of you might know who Francisco is if you've been on the group coaching call. He's been with us for a long time here at Lead Mining, and he is amazing when it comes to tech build outs, go high level build outs, or project managing big development projects. He's overseen this whole thing for me. So, Francisco, thank you so much
Absolutely.
for
Absolutely.
making
So
this
yeah,
happen.
this is definitely a project that we've definitely been working on, like Nick said, for about 6, 7 months. And the whole concept of this project that we're releasing to you guys is to make your KPIs easily accessible, and you guys know exactly what's going on with your campaigns at a drop of a dime at any given point. And I think another thing that I want to add on is all of this updates in real time. So the moment that we generate leads is the moment that the KPI dashboard gets generated, both for calling and SMS. So let me go ahead and show you guys an example of what we built out. And Nick, I don't know if you want to shout out this client that we're going to be using as an example, Josh Reddy's.
Josh Reddy's, yeah.
Yep. So this is an example of what the KPI dashboard will look like, and it will automatically show you the last 90-day call stats. And then, as you can see here, we've done a total of 2,000 calls, 13 leads have been generated, 73 calls have been answered, total wrong numbers. And then most importantly, this is the number one thing that Nick is prides himself on, which is contact rate, right? This is how you're able to determine whether or not you're in a competitive market, saturated market. All of these stats are intentionally curated so you can make data-driven decisions in your business. And then at the bottom, we also have the SMS stats as well too. And then, as you can see, we break down in very increments total SMS sent, responses, leads generated, SMS to lead generated. So basically, how many text messages did we have to send in order to generate one lead? And then, most importantly, response rate as well too. Response rate is a very big thing with SMS as it gains popularity as well too. And then, of course, you want to be able to see all of the notes and the details for your leads. So in your dashboard, if you go over to leads, we're going to go ahead and look at Josh Reddy's. And I believe his was a land campaign. He can go into his dashboard and he can see all of the details. He can see the notes. He can listen to the recordings. And then if you click on notes view right here, you get all of the information for your leads, and then you also get their best phone number, and then all of the questions answered that was used on the script from our cold callers. So we give everything at this dashboard to your full disposal. And then along, you can also download the recording link as well too. And then listen to see, some more context. How did the call go? You can give Nick feedback on some of the cold callers and areas of improvement. But this is also going to give you access not only to your calling leads, but to your SMS leads as well too. So we intentionally track all of your KPIs, all of your cold calling leads, and all of your SMS leads, so you can export them out of the system. You can import them into your CRM, no, regardless of what that is. And then you have everything at your disposal again to make data-driven decisions on your business.
Love it. Dude, this is huge. I Absolutely love this. So, guys, look at this immediate access. You're going to have live whenever you guys want. You just log in. I'm going to give you guys the link. It's leadminingpros.com/dashboard. Okay. That's going to bring you to this login. You just put in your email and then it's going to email you a code. You put that in and you're going to be all set. All right. But we wanted to put everything in one place for you. There's also one other benefit. Well, there's a couple more. If you could go back to the KPI dashboard real fast, something I saw that was really cool is under these campaigns, you also have a date range. You can actually select our performance during a certain period. This is really cool. This is as much access as we could possibly give you. You could see the effort we did yesterday, the day before. It's all going to be here for you to filter down, whether it's a texting lead or an SMS lead. This is so cool that we'll be able to see those stats over those periods. Another thing that we did is we have integrated API settings. You can actually now put your webhooks directly into this and it will push your leads into your CRM. Okay. Or to that webhook, wherever that goes. If that's a spreadsheet, if that's monday.com, or if that's a CRM. But yeah, really, really cool stuff. Francisco, can you show them the webhook screen?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you wanted to go ahead and add your webhook, let's just use this. You will go ahead and click on webhook settings, and then you'll simply just add your webhook URL, whether you're using Zapier, Make.com, Pabbly. You'll just get your webhook, paste it in right here, save your settings, and then once you click on test webhook, it will automatically send you all of the information that you see here with the custom fields, so that way you can map your fields to wherever the destination you want to send your leads. First name, last name, email address, phone number, anything that has to do with the property. You can literally just put in your webhook and within 2 seconds send over leads to wherever your heart desires.
This is so
So
cool.
yeah. And then also the best thing about this is it also works for both cold calling and SMS leads as well. So
Yeah.
you'll be able to webhook your cold call and your SMS leads.
Yeah, to different places, which is great. So one webhook would tag it cold call, the other webhook would tag it SMS lead, and then you would set up the automations using Zapier in the background to get that all connected to your CRM.
Correct.
Guys, this is huge for us. I really couldn't be more excited about this. If you have any questions for me, you guys can reach out to me anytime. You know, my cell is 727-877-3232. This is going live right now. Okay. So it's happening. I'm actually posting this video as soon as it's ending, and we're going ham with it. So we're really excited. All your stuff in one place. Stay organized. Right. So now I'm going to give you a dashboard with all your leads. You're going to have scripts. You're going to have the coaching and the courses. Literally, I'm trying to give you guys absolutely everything I can to make your life as easy as possible. You know, so I'm super pumped. And if there's updates we could make to this, if there's something you want to see, just reach out. We can talk about it. Again, we're trying to really elevate what we're doing over here. We got APIs, we got KPIs, and we got all your leads in one spot. So super pumped. But guys, thank you so much for being on this journey with me, and let's see what happens from here.
And most importantly, before we get off, remember, call the leads. Call the lead.
Yeah, 100%. That's right. That's the reason we're doing this whole thing, right? Is we're making it as easy as humanly possible to call those damn leads, right? I know it sucks. I talk to clients every day who hire me and then don't want to call them. It's okay. But it's my job to make it as easy as possible on you guys. Well, all right. Well, hey, hope you guys have a great weekend and let's make some money.
Absolutely.
See ya.